So hi, my name is Farfana binti Azumarudi. So today I would like to present about our question 1, which is why digital leadership is important for companies like My Cargo Solution. So let's start with our first point in question 1, which is driver's agility. So let's start with agility, which is the heartbeat of logistics. So in environments like My Cargo, where conditions change by a minute, digital leaders will help teams pivot quickly and stay ahead. Okay, so they also foster flexible thinking and rapid decision making by two essential in last mile delivery and also B2B fulfillment. Okay, so for example, let's imagine a sudden traffic jam threatening to delay multiple deliveries. So a traditional response might involve and waiting for updates or calling drivers. So it might minimizing delays and also keeping the customer happy. That's just not thinking. That's a digital agility in action. So basically, at My Cargo Solution, digital tools like dashboard and analytics were introduced, but many managers are unsure how to use them efficiently. So it would be a common problem in that company. Like technology is in place, but the people aren't fully prepared to use it efficiently. So digital leadership is the only key to solving this. Okay, so let's start with our second point, which is enhanced team engagement. So digital leadership transforms how we engage our teams. So going are the days of micromanagement. So today, digital leader act more like coach and bosses. They only mentor instead of managing. So this approach builds trust, boosts morale, and especially crucial in hybrid or remote work models. So imagine that a digital savvy team leader doesn't just assign tasks and just walk away. So that might impact of others employee emotional. So they hold weekly virtual check-in and coach, listen to challenges and offer real support. So as a result, employees feel heard and valued and more motivated and contribute. That's how engagement turns into performance.
Hi, my name is Siti Nobalkis binti Muhammad Idris. So I'm going to the next point of these questions, which is empowers data-driven actions. So even having access to dashboards, many managers still continue to depend on intuition. So digital leadership guarantees that leaders can understand how to evaluate data and apply it to everyday's operation, resulting in wiser decisions and more predictable outcomes. For example, we can consider a manager detect a decrease in delivery efficiency on dashboards. So instead of guessing, they study the data and discover that it is the result of bad route planning, which is they quickly change the shift planning to rectify. Next is strengths communication. So digital tools are only effective if we use it well. Digital leadership promotes etiquette, real clarity and consistency in communication, making cross-functional collaboration smoother and more efficient. For example, like previously, teams used WhatsApp, email, and dashboards with no structure. A digital leader streamlined this by setting clear guidelines, like use Slacks for daily updates, the dashboards for KPIs, and video calls for weekly reviews. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Hakim, and today I will present about challenges faced by My Cargo in applying digital leadership. So firstly, one of the biggest challenge My Cargo faces is leadership misalignment. While top leaders are excited about digital transformation, many middle managers still use old leadership styles like micromanaging or avoiding new tools. This creates a gap in the company culture and slow down the use of digital systems. For example, instead of using the new dashboard to track performance, some managers continue using outdated reports. This delays important decisions and hurts productivity. To succeed in digital leadership, all levels of management need to be aligned and open to change. Another key challenge at My Cargo is the failure to lead with data. Although managers have dashboards and analytics, many still rely on gut feeling or hierarchy when making decisions. This causes poor choices and missed chance to improve performance. For example, one manager saw clear delivery delay trends in the dashboards, but ignored the data and blamed it on bad luck. To be a digital leader, manager must trust data and use it to guide daily decisions. The next challenge my cargo faces is lack of digital empathy. In a digital and remote work environment, some leaders focus too much on numbers and forget to connect with their teams emotionally. This makes employees feel unappreciated and lowers their motivation. For example, remote staff tried to raise concerns in chats and emails but felt ignored. They felt like only the data mattered, not their well-being. Digital leadership isn't just about tools, it's also about caring for people behind the screens. That's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Kumar Bismillah. So now I will continue about the other challenges faced by my cargo in applying digital leadership. So I will continue the fourth and fifth challenge. The fourth challenge is digital communication gap. Despite having communication platform, team face issues due to a lack of adequate, unclear rules and inconsistent platform use. This causes miscommunication and hampers cross-team collaboration. Operations, customer service and delivery teams use different apps and didn't follow any clear communication rules. Important info got lost and no one knew who was responsible for fixing the issue. The fifth or the last challenges faced by Makago in applying digital leadership is unclear vision ownership. Although the company has a strong digital mission, most employees don't understand how it applies to their own work or KPIs. This leads to a lack of motivation and only surface level support for the change. When they are asked how my cargo digital leadership is still related to their job, most of employees say that's just a top management team. They didn't see how they will have achieved the big digital goal. So the most important challenges that my cargo are facing for applying digital leadership is misalignment. I think that's all from me, and that's it, the challenges faced by my cargo in applying digital leadership. So I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, hi, my name is Faris Hakimuddin Isman. Sekarang saya nak present tentang point saya is strengthen human connection in digital tools. Digital and hybrid work can weaken human connection. Developing digital empathy and emotional intelligence is essential. Leaders play a crucial role in fostering meaningful connection within a remote team. Next, we go to key action for enhanced connection. First, virtual check-ins. Virtual check-ins are quick, regular conversation between teams members and leaders. This two-way communication helps people feel heard and involved, boosting engagement by 3 times. For example, a 10-minute weekly video call to share progress, ask questions, and give feedback. Second is employee storytelling. Storytelling is when employees share real stories about their work experience, challenges, wins, or what they love about their job. These stories trigger oxytocin, a hormone linked to trust and empathy. Studies show storytelling can boost oxytocin levels by 47%, helping with a stronger team connection and engagement. Number 3 is EI training for leaders. Emotional intelligence, which is EI, is the ability to understand and manage emotion, both your own and others. For example, for leaders, this skill is crucial in building trust, resolving conflict, and motivating teams. Where leaders with high EI can communicate better, handle pressure calmly, and connect more deeply with their team. So why all these 3 key action is matters? It's because this action can improve employee engagement and support mental well-being even when teams are working remotely. So next we go to connect vision to daily work. Aligning the company's vision with daily tasks give employees clear purpose, showing how their work support organizational goals. This lead drive accountability, promote continuous improvement, and is strengthened through regular communication and feedback to keep team focused on what matters for success. So this is the key action. First, run vision mapping workshops so employees understand the company's direction, which is help employees see the bigger picture and how their work fits into the company's picture. Second is use OKR as means objective and key result to align daily work with strategy goals. Set clear goals so everyone knows what to focus on and how to success is measured. Three is highlight individual and team contribution to make their impact visible. Show how each person and team is making a difference to boost motivation and engagement. So all these three key actions is matters because of this can increase motivation, clarifies everyone's role, and ensures alignment with the company's overall goal. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Deni Irhan bin Hisham. My ID is 5721225338. Okay, so today I am going to tell you a set of action that Miss Jisoo can use to solve the challenges and improve employee engagement and collaboration. Okay, so the first one is transform leadership culture. Okay, so there are three things that Miss Jisoo can do. Launch coaching clinics, implement programs that trains manager in coaching techniques, emphasizing active listening, constructive feedback, and empowering team members. The second one is develop leadership playbooks, create comprehensive guides that outline effective leadership behavior, decision making, and frameworks. The last one is implement 360 feedback system, adopt feedback mechanism that gather input from peers, subordinates, and superiors to provide managers with a holistic view of their leadership style and for improvement for themselves. For the second one that Miss Jisoo can use is boost data-driven decision making. One of the things that Miss Jisoo can do is offer data literacy workshop. This way, they can provide training session that enhance managers' abilities to interpret data, so that can be more efficiency, and then they can understand analytics tools and apply insight to their decision, so that can be more precise for them. The second one is assist data champions. Designate individual within teams who advocate for data-driven practice, support peers in utilizing data tools, and promote a culture of analytic making. The last one that can be used is to use gamification to build interest in that. This can incorporate game-like elements into data training program to increase engagements such as quizzes, leaderboards, and rewards for data-driven achievement. By using the gamification, can be more easier, and maybe that can not board them. Okay, boost data-driven decision making can encourage them to be more efficiently. I think that's all from me. Thank you.